How to sign up for OnlyFans account. Let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser that you prefer and on the search bar type in onlyfans.com. Press enter in your keyboard. That's gonna take you to official web page where you will land in login portal. Now to create account under this there you'll have a link that says sign up for OnlyFans. Click on it. After that, to create your account, first of all you have to enter your name. So simply provide your name. Under that, you have to enter the email address. And under that, you have to create a password. Once it's on, it says the password must contain at least one number, at least one lowercase Latin letter, and at least one uppercase. So you have to clear that criteria as well. Then click on sign up. And with that, you have created an OnlyFans account. Now the next step is to verify your account or verify your email address. So in this interface, you will have this button that says verify email. Click on it. And it will show up your current email. From here, click on send confirmation. Now you have to check your email inbox for the confirmation email. Open up Gmail. And here in your inbox, you will receive an email from OnlyFans. You have to open that up. Here I have email. So you have to confirm by clicking on this link that says here. And now your email address is now verified. Now if you go back and if you refresh your page, it will say that your email account or your Gmail account is now verified. So this is the way to create OnlyFans account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.